Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I've got a really cool doll to show you today. This is 1998 Harley-Davidson Barbie Collector Edition, number 20441. She is the second in the series. She's a redhead doll. My husband told me get her when he saw my video of the Ken Harley-Davidson. And he said pick out whichever one you want. And so of course I picked the redhead. She's so pretty. I love her. I love her cool outfit. I love that she's got the graphic of the bike in here. Not only is it in the background, but there's a cardboard piece here on the side that shows it in kind of like 3-dimension. It's very cool looking. Let me bring Barbie close up and you can see her face and her carrot orange hair. Her eyes are brown and blue with a bit of rust in them. She's got tons of lashes on top, looks like 4 lashes on the bottom, and she's got this cute beauty mark over here on her right eye. She's got gold metal earrings on that I need to get her out of the box to remove so that they don't start to turn her vinyl colors. I know with the older Barbies, they caused what they call green ear. I'm not sure how that affects the newer Barbies, but I want to get those off of her before that ends up happening. Plus, I want to get her out of the box because she's got a lot of pleather on, or faux leather, and that gets damaged over time when it's left in the box. She looks like she's in really good condition, so I'm hoping that once I get her opened, she'll be fine and the pleather won't start flaking, but we'll see. I love her. I love everything about her. We need to get her open so that I can tell you more about her, but let's first take a look at the back of the box. Look at that gorgeous graphic. She's one of the prettiest Harley-Davidson Barbie dolls, I think. And it's got a cute graphic of her bike back there in the background. The back says, "Together again, Harley and Barbie, two traditions that celebrate the spirit of American freedom and independence. Here, ready to ride on a gleaming Sportster 1200 Custom, Barbie doll brings her own glamour to the open road with her long red hair and riding gear complete with distressed faux leather, faux fur, studs, buckles, and the official Harley-Davidson logo. Harley-Davidson Motor Company, the only major American motorcycle manufacturer, has been building motorcycles since 1903. In 1957, the XL Sportster was born and a whole new riding experience began. So with helmet in hand, road-smart sunglasses, and a Sportster that's ready to rock it, Barbie heads for the horizon with undeniable style and the greatest rig on the road." So let's get her open. Here she is in all her glory. 1998 Harley-Davidson Collector Edition Barbie, number 20441. Out of the box, she's in really good condition. Very minor, tiny bit of flaking here. A little tiny bit on her knee here. Some on the arm, but really not bad at all. She's in good shape. And the fact that we've taken her out of the box before she starts to disintegrate more on the faux leather will definitely help. You can also see her better as far as her features go, since I don't have the cellophane plastic covering her. Let's pan up a little bit so we can see her glasses, her motorcycle goggles, her felt. I'm not sure exactly what that's called. It's kind of like a cabbie hat, but she's got it on backwards because that's the way the cool girls wear it. I haven't done anything with her hair, so I need to take care of her hair. But that's the beautiful orange-red color that she's got, like a copper penny. Her earring was also hung up on itself in the box. This portion was flipped up over the top and didn't look great for display, so I fixed that. You can see her little beauty mark better and her eyes better. She's got a Harley-Davidson cloth scarf around her neck, and she's got her t-shirt on with the pretty green, red, and black Harley-Davidson logo. The fur is nice and soft. Here's the Harley-Davidson belt buckle. It's got an actual zipper on the jacket. Very cool feature. She's got her Harley-Davidson bag here with the Harley-Davidson logo. It does open and close. I think it's a metal snap. I like the gold studs on her pants, and that it's open here. That's really cool looking. She's got some stitching on her pants as well. And look at her nice bright blue jeans with orange stitching and a faux fly front. She's very cool. She's got a little gold button ring on, buckle around the bottom of her jacket. Very realistic look. Her boots are pointy toe. Look like Harley boots. She's a great doll. I'm so happy to have her. Thank you to my husband for getting her for me. I hope you like her. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.